This is the MPR 300 by 3M company, and it's an air filter for your furnace, your air conditioner, or your HVAC system. And it just works wonderfully. This is a Filtrete Brand, which is a 3-in-1 system, and it helps eliminate dust mites, as well as dust and pollen too from your air. It also has electrostatic technology, which traps the unwanted air particles while letting cleaner air flow through. This is the MPR 300 with a rating of MERV 5. And the higher the MPR, the more that it will trap the microparticles passing through the air filter. You should change your air filter every 90 days. A dirty air filter will slow down your system. And when you have a clean air filter, it makes your unit run more efficiently. This is 16 by 25 by 1 inch, but they have other sizes to choose from, and I'm sure you're gonna find one that's gonna fit your needs. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to install your air filter. If you're unsure what direction you should install it, it has arrow indicators to help you out. Boy, is that dirty. Time to replace it with the new one. Make sure it's pointed up. Perfect. Simple as that. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.